friends from the industry, Team Plas India 2018 is now geared up to welcome you all at Gandhinagar from February 7th to 12th to one of the biggest and the most important event in the plastic industry in India. Friends, we welcome you all and we look forward to you being over there.
Sir, the next is here. Can you tell something about the next, what is going to happen, the biggest event in India?
When we say next is here, because India is all poised to now grow, the GDP is a constant, the growth of plastic industry is more than 12% year on year. And when we say next is here, we mean that next, that is the India, the focus is on India, and the plastic industry is with the various policies of the government of India, whether it is under Skill India, Digital India, Make in India, and Plas India 2018 will be the focus point for the entire plastic industry to be there to witness. When we say next is here, we mean next is here.
What are the advantages visitors are going to get to visit Plas India 2018 in Gandhinagar?
One of the focus area for Plas India 2018 is to display the best technology available from across the globe, and the visitors can look forward to various new machines being displayed, new raw materials that will be there for different applications, with the focus pavilions that we have during Plas India 2018 on composites, automotive, sports, medical plastics devices. This all will provide the visitors with one-stop purchasing, one-stop knowledge of what is the industry shaping up, and the visitors can look forward to a different experience, whether they want to understand how the industry is progressing or whether they are out to source their products.
Can you tell us something about the new mobile app of Plas India 2018 and the features which will help the visitors and exhibitors to go through that?
The most highlight, as I was discussing the other day with my team, is going to be the mobile app. Mobile app will help not only the visitors and exhibitors to plan their visit during Plas India 2018 well in advance, but it will give the power to be at the ground and get the maximum from their visit during their show days. This will help the visitors to locate exhibitors by product, by name, or by category. The mobile app also will help them to chart out the course, the map within the fairground, and also through the mobile app they will be able to requisition meetings, schedule the meetings well in advance. So the power this time is going to be with the visitors. The app will enable them, will empower them.
What do you think? How many people are going to download, and what is your expectation from this?
We are trying to push the app through various media currently. We are promoting the app not only for downloading, but will also help the visitors to gain free entry. What I understand from the visitor chairman is they are planning a campaign where the visitor entry will be free from 15th of June till 15th of August. The app will be downloaded, and through the app they can do the visitor registration online.
So tell us the features about Plas India 2018 at Gandhinagar.
As we can see the features, let me explain to you. This time we have planned the entire venue. The layout is such, when a visitor is looking for a particular product, whether it is a machinery or a raw material or a finished product or ancillaries, the halls have been dedicated in such a way. Here we can see that the halls are dedicated for machinery in one side, with international pavilions on another side with the raw materials. So when an exhibitor is displaying a product, he can look for visitors who will be more informed about the layout of the venue well in advance through our mobile app. They will be able to navigate in such a way that they can cover the entire exhibition in a matter of 2 or 3 days.
Sir, I like to know one more thing, sir. Is Plas India planning any new kind of pavilion in this 2018 Plas India?
Yes, Plas India 2018 has 5 focus pavilions, but I will cover composites today. One of the most important segment of the plastic industry. The composite industry globally and India is growing at a very fast pace. More and more material is now being used from composites, especially in aircrafts, automobiles, and this time we are focusing and bringing that industry, that segment of the industry into highlight. So Plus India 2018 is having a dedicated pavilion for composites.
Since you're planning a dedicated pavilion for composites, like to highlight the market for composite in India. What is the percentage of market for composite and the growth that you see presently in India, sir?
Currently, the growth is at a very fast moving pace, as I mentioned. More and more, this time we are focusing on the automobile sector to be there, and the defense sector, because both these sectors have been procuring composites at a very big quantity, and we assume that the next coming years will be the one of the most important growth factor for the composites.
Being composite, the growth market for India. Do you see the aerospace also growth, the manufacturing that Make in India, Modi government is planning to come up? And they have already doing it, and they are more focusing on Make in India. They're inviting other companies like defense and all that in India to manufacture more in India. So how do you see the growth for the aerospace industry in the Indian markets?
This growth of aerospace is very clear. What I understand is Bombardier is already putting up a manufacturing unit in India. There are more and more sourcing of OEMs by Boeing, by Airbus from India, especially more and more of engineering plastics as well as composites. So definitely with this trend, we see a lot of growth in the aerospace industry, and of course with the government initiative of Ude Harik Desh Ka Nagrik with the Udan scheme, definitely more and more people will be using airlines in the future. And we see, in fact, there was a report for that many airline companies have place orders for more and more aircrafts. Definitely this aircraft industry will set up in factories, manufacturing plant in India, and this is where we see the growth of engineering plastics to supply as OEMs.
Thank you, sir, for your time. Thank you for speaking to us. On behalf of Modern Plastics India, we like to congratulate and wish you best of luck for Plus India 2018, sir.
From the plastic fraternity, I welcome you all on behalf of myself, Plus India Managing Committee, and the entire team of Plus India 2018 NEC. I welcome you all to Gandhinagar from February 7 to 12, 2018 to Plus India 2018, most significant exhibition in the plastic industry across the globe.